it in a drill that has at least 1800 to 2000 RPMs. Make sure that you have a clean edge, so I had already cut it earlier. Put on your flare fitting. It's important that you get level and then go full speed before you even try to push it in. You're going to go all the way until it stops. That's what the stopper's for. To make sure you have a good flare, it's good to have a flaring gauge. As you can see, the ProFit made a perfect flare. The superior advantage of the ProFit flaring is that we use friction to burnish the copper surface. This friction heated flare you just created not only removes any imperfections, but it also contours to the flare fitting on the male adapter.